My name is Mark. I'm the lead setup at Kapco. I answer troubleshoot calls. I set up presses. I'm the father to a 2-year-old, Sophia, husband to Sarah. I love having fun with my daughter, playing with her. We have another baby on the way, a little boy, and I'm excited, have the pair, a boy and a little girl. The money and the time the owner has put in this company has been so crazy. And I've been here almost 2 years, and I've seen almost 5 new stamping presses. I'm talking about state-of-the-art stamping presses. Got to make sure those presses are running. When they get a troubleshoot call, that's downtime when we can't afford that right now. If it's something minor, something big, we try to get it as soon as possible. For them to give me the opportunity to run those presses was just awesome. The training was awesome. I worked with Dan. He's a lead man from second shift. Thanks to him, I learned a lot. I learned everything that I know right now because of him. It makes me feel good about myself, It makes me feel that Kapco puts a lot of trust in me to put my hands on such an expensive machine like that. I can't fail them either, so I try my best. I feel like Kapco kind of showed me that there's always a second opportunity, for you out there. It's gonna be easier, raising my family, working at Kapco, because I'm gonna have more of a flexible time to be at appointments with my wife, with the baby. So Kapco's been real flexible with that. I think Kapco changed me. I think all that has to do with the environment that you work with, We make sure that every single part that leaves this company, it's the best quality that we can offer our customers. Kapco has a big future. That's what I think, and I want to be part of it. I want to stick around for a while to see what they got to offer.